Hit it.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and I'm coming to you all today with a quick video. Okay, so for those of you who have been following me, y'all know that I always, every now and then, far and few in between, I will talk about going to the Dollar Tree and buying these buttons. Please make sure that you go and you buy these buttons, because guess what, y'all? I am going to be coming to you all with a how to make video using these buttons. The ones that I have here up at the top, I am sorting these by color and sizes. Okay, whenever I go into the Dollar Tree, I always grab myself more than one of these, because during the fall they have a lot of earth tone colors during the fall. During the spring and the summer, they have a lot of yellows and pinks and reds. You can find these like that, okay? They come in an assortment of different sizes and shapes. But I wanted to come to you all because I want you all to know that I am going to be doing a how to make video on how to make a pair of earrings using these buttons. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say, go get yourself some buttons. And I ran across, now this was really funny, because I ran across a Calvin Klein and a Guess button. And then it was another button that I ran across called Fashion Men's Wear. Now, I don't know where the Dollar Tree get this assortment of buttons from. I'm thinking that they may get them from different companies that don't use, oh, that's Polo. I didn't even know I had one in there from Polo. These are just different assortment of buttons that you get. So I'm gonna come to you all with a DIY showing y'all how to make and create something using these. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. I actually went to the Dollar Tree. I got these some time ago, but I take them out and I sort them to their colors, their sizes, their shapes, and whatever else. And sometimes when you take them out, they may be a little dusty from being in the jar for so long. Don't ask me how the dust get in there from them being in the jar. But anywho, I just want to say thank y'all for clicking onto this here video. I want to say thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all. So with that being said, be on the lookout for that video. I don't know when it will be coming, but it will be coming. So y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.